Can non-math students learn coding? Beginner level. Introduction. Many people believe that you must be very good at mathematics to learn programming. This belief discourages many beginners from starting their coding journey. The truth is, you do not need advanced mathematics to learn programming. Most programming tasks require logical thinking and problem solving, not complex mathematical formulas. Many successful programmers come from non-math backgrounds, including arts, business, design, humanities, marketing. Programming is a skill that can be learned by anyone willing to practice and think logically. Do you need strong math skills for coding? For most programming fields, advanced math is not required. Basic math skills such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, logical reasoning are usually enough for beginners. In simple words, programming is more about logic than mathematics. Example: age equals 20. If age greater than equals 18. Print: adult. This code uses logic, not complex math. Why people think coding requires math? Many people associate programming with math because computers perform calculations. Some fields like AI use advanced math. Computer science courses include mathematics. However, most everyday programming tasks do not require complex math. For example, building websites, creating mobile apps, developing business software. These tasks focus more on problem solving and system design. Programming skills that matter more than math. Successful programmers rely more on skills such as checkmark logical thinking, checkmark breaking problems into smaller steps, checkmark attention to detail, checkmark debugging skills, checkmark persistence and patience. Example: problem-solving logic. Input means process means output. Programming mainly involves thinking step by step. Example: programming without math. Example: Python program. Name equals input. Enter your name. Quote: print. Hello. Name. This program reads input, processes data, displays output. No mathematics is required. Fields that require very little math. Many programming careers require minimal math. Examples include web development, used for building websites and web applications. Technologies: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Math requirement: very low. Backend development, used for building APIs and server systems. Technologies: Java, Python, Node, JS. Math requirement: low. Mobile app development, used for building Android or iOS applications. Technologies: Java, Kotlin, Swift, React Native. Math requirement: low. Fields that require more math. Some specialized fields use advanced mathematics. Examples include artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer graphics, game physics engines, cryptography. These fields may require knowledge of linear algebra, probability, statistics, calculus, but beginners can still start coding without learning these topics first. Real-life analogy: learning programming is like learning how to write instructions for a robot. Instead of mathematics, you mainly need to think. What should the program do? What steps should it follow? What result should it produce? This process is more about logic and planning than mathematics. Examples of non-math programmers. Many successful developers started without strong math backgrounds. Examples include web developers, startup founders, self-taught programmers, software engineers from non-CS degrees. Their success comes from practice and problem solving, not advanced mathematics. Tips for non-math beginners. If you feel weak in math, you can still learn programming successfully. Helpful tips. Checkmark: start with beginner-friendly languages like Python. Checkmark: focus on logic and problem solving. Checkmark build small projects. Checkmark practice regularly. Checkmark don't worry about advanced math initially. Programming skills develop gradually through consistent practice. Simple definition. Programming without advanced math. The ability to write software using logical thinking and problem solving, without requiring complex mathematics. Final summary. Non-math students can absolutely learn programming. Most programming work focuses on checkmark logical thinking, checkmark problem solving, checkmark writing clear instructions for computers. Advanced math is only required in certain specialized fields. With regular practice and curiosity, anyone can become a programmer regardless of their math background.